3, 2, 1, go! Mattel is bringing a popular video game to life. This is Hot Wheels Rocket League. Before we get into the toy, you need to know Rocket League. It is a wacky and addictive video game where you play soccer with rocket-powered cars. That's right, car soccer. And Mattel turned that into a real-life Hot Wheels set. Players use a smartphone app to drive the remote control cars to knock the ball into their opponent's goal. It comes with a car charging station. At max speed, the cars last about 15 minutes before you need another charge. So these are popular characters in the Rocket League game, and they made physical versions of them that you can now race around in this arena. And there could be more characters coming in time. This is to be priced at around $180. It's scheduled to be out by December. Mattel gave us an early look at the 2018 New York Toy Fair. You don't need to know anything about the video game to have a blast with this set, but if you are a fan, there will be Hot Wheels bonus content you can download to the video game. Mattel is also adding video game magic to toy racing tracks by using augmented reality. In the Augmoto playset, 2 real Hot Wheels cars zip around a track, but players face off holding tablets or phones to battle with cartoony augmented reality effects on the screen. The cars are synced to the app, so it tells you in real time when the car needs a recharge at the pit. If you have enough juice, tell the car to take the loop. If you make it, you get a special rocket that you can shoot at your opponent to keep him smoking in the pit. And if you're stuck, you gotta tap the smoke to repair the car. Augmented reality is something that a lot of toy makers are interested in dabbling with. AR keeps it zany. It's all very fast and manic, and it's hard to even notice when a car crashes. But they want to add a feature in the final edition that will pause the game when a car flies off. The Augmoto track is scheduled to come out in time for the holidays for about $120.